Okay, so now let's say I want to add graphics and text to each page. I'm going to go into Pages. I'm going to find the one that I want to work on. So let's say I want to work on Humanities Competency 2. So as you can see right now, it's completely blank. I'm going to click Build, and then I'm going to drag an image. I'm going to drag some text. And let's say I'm going to drag a title. So notice where the blue, when I'm hovering right now, it would just be over the image. This way it's going to be over the entire section. So in here I can say story of my life. Notice it's coming out white, so I would not want that. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to change the color to what I do want. Notice that there's some random things here, so there's looks to be a text box. I can delete that, and then it just spaces things out. So now I can type my text here. Again, for some reason it's white, so I'm going to select it and make it, let's say, black. And then I'm going to click on the image, and this is where I can add an image. So I can add some random images. There we go. So now it's going to have that picture and the text that I typed. So notice that if I go back to my home button, you're not going to see any of that. So again, when I click this, if I double click it, I'm going to see that it goes to Humanities Competency 2, but I can't tell that it's gone there. The only way I can tell is when I publish. So when I click Publish and I go to that link, I will now be able to click Humanities Competency 2, and I should be able to see everything that I just did.